Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. And for today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Great Eastern Hotel, Quezon City. And mamaya po is gaganapin ng MRJ year-end party. And I am one of the hosts later on. So maghahanap tayo ng mga models and mga kids na pwede nating kausapin at interviewin kung ano nga bang meron ngayong araw. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome once again to my vlog. My name is DJ Alvin and this afternoon drive from EuroTV Philippines Entertainment. And for today's video, andito tayo ngayon sa Great Eastern Hotel, Quezon City. And hi!
Hi,
How are you?
I'm 5 years old. Here is the
Oh my God! Can you please introduce yourself?
yeah. You will the
You are Chinese?
yeah.
You are Chinese?
I will is pizza.
Oh.
His favorite food is pizza.
Oh, what is your name?
Aldrich Masata.
Aldi.
Aldrich.
Aldrich Masat.
Yeah. How old are you?
A-R-D-Y.
Yeah. How old are you, baby?
I'm 5 years old.
5 years old. Oh. What is your talent?
I will do the pizza.
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 Apete, apete. Ganun ba? You know that song? Apete, apete? Oh, alam niya yun, di ba? You do the dance?
Yeah, I do a playground.
But, oh. So, what is your favorite food?
And candy.
Candy. Oh, candy is nakakasira ng ngipin. It's too sweet.
Yeah, you picture.
Picture.
Yeah, when you the fire, I mix it up in the tea over there.
Oh.
I mix up.
What is ano yun?
What happened? How is that?
During live, may mga eksena talaga pag mga Oo. Okay, Aldrich. Who is your favorite actor?
Appetite.
Ha?
Appetite.
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 Yeah. Yeah. Can you dance? Can you dance after the dance?
For us.
Okay, oh, wait,
Okay.
Appetite.
Oh, you stand up, stand up. Stand up and dance. Patse. Aha. Yes! Ang galing naman ni Aldrich. Are you studying?
Yeah,
What grade? Kinder?
teacher.
Kinder. Who is your teacher?
S-M-N. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh.
4 teachers.
4 teachers. Do you know them?
Yeah.
Can you shout out your teacher?
Hi, teacher.
Who's teacher?
Teacher Masada.
Oh, teacher? Oh my God, Teacher Malsada. Oo.
Teacher Masada.
Oh, don't do that, don't do that. Oo.
Ardino.
Oh, RD. Yeah. So what is your message to your mom? Do you have a message to your mom?
Yeah, what do you want to say to your mom?
What do you want to say? What do you want to say? Nakikita tayo sa live. Gusto nila mo, gusto nila magsayaw. Aldi Rich, what is your message to your mom? So, do you any message? Do you have any message to your mom?
Yeah,
What?
heart.
Oh, it means I love you.
Yeah, where do you say
How about your dad? What is your message to your dad?
heart?
Oh, do you have a social media account?
Yeah, there's my family, in a people,
Oh.
and the bottom, and the beach,
Oh.
in the people.
Say hi, Toya.
Hi, Toya. Bye. I'm the Dobby.
Alright, so si Aldi Rich is 5 years old, no?
5 years.
5 years old. 5 years old. Yes. And Aldi Rich, what is your message to your mom princess, the owner of
I
MRJ?
am super nobody.
Hmm? Yo, positive. Positive. Thumbs up, thumbs up. Yes. Thank you so much, everyone, once again. Aldi Rich. Yes. Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye to camera.
Bye-bye. Okay, it's the last one.
Bye.
Bye.